I have typed this already in my document and you can see certain formattings are applied. I already talk about basic formattings, which comes under Home tab in my previous video. Now let's see what we can do with the options available under Insert tab. The first one is to insert cover page in your document. If we click on this, we get several options or designs for our cover page. Let's click and choose this one. Here you can click and type the title of your document, and you can edit this part as well. Just click and type. This is my active page, and if you click on blank page, it will add a blank page next to the active page. Suppose I want only this much in this page and next part from the next page, so I can insert a page break here by putting the cursor where I want break and clicking on page break. You can see next part has come to the next page. Let's insert a table here now. Click on table. You may choose number of rows and columns from here or click on insert table and type number of columns and number of rows and click on OK. It has created the table. You can start clicking and typing text or data into the cells. If you want to add pictures in your document, put the cursor in the place where you want to add the picture. Then under Insert tab, click on Pictures. Click on this device as my picture is saved in my computer already. Find and open the folder where your picture is saved. Double-click on the picture. It's added in your document. If you want to add any shapes in your page, click on Shapes and click on the shape you want to add. Now click and drag to draw the shape on your page. Similarly, if you want to add an icon, click on Icon. Click on the icon you want to add. Click on Insert. It's added in your page. Similarly, if you have any 3D model in your device, which you want to add in your page, you can use this option. If you click on Smart Art, you can see several options to present your text. Let's click and choose a Smart Art for a list. Click on OK. Here you can start typing your text to be added in your list, and close this pop-up to get the final look. From Chart option, you can add charts for your data presented in the page. Screenshot option basically help you to take a screenshot from available windows. Just click to add. If I click on Online Videos and insert the video URL, click on OK. It has added the video here. This one is to add hyperlink. Let's select this text. Click on Link. This is showing the text display for the link. I have copied the link, so let's paste the link here in address and click on OK. If you can see, if I take the cursor here, it's showing by pressing Ctrl and clicking on the link will take me to the link address. This one does exactly the name suggests. Suppose I want a bookmark here. Let's select the line, click on Bookmark. It asking you to add a name for your bookmark. Make sure there's no space in your text. Click on Add. Now if I am somewhere else on the document and I want to go to the bookmark, I can press Ctrl+G for Go to option. Click on Bookmark. If you click on down arrow, it's showing the list of bookmark. Choose the required one and click on Go to and close. It's taken me to that bookmark. Next here, as the name suggests, it's for cross-reference. Suppose I want a cross-reference here asking readers to check that bookmark I added earlier for a reference. So I type C, then click on cross-reference. Reference type, choose bookmark. You can see other options are also available. Reference to bookmark text. Select the bookmark. Click on Insert. Click on Close and you can see the reference has been added. If you press Ctrl and click on Reference, it will take you there. Let's put cursor here, and I want to add a comment for this part that more details will be added here. Click on Comment. Type the comments for this section. If you click on Header, it shows different styles for headers to be added in all pages. Let's click on this, and you can type and edit the header. Same works for footer. Let's choose this one and type and edit footer. We can see header and footer have been added in all pages. It's to add page number. Click on this, choose from the options. Let's choose bottom of page and click on a style option. You see page number is added for all pages. As the name suggests, if I click on text box, it shows several designs of text box. Click and choose one, type and edit the text box. Let's select the title and add an effect to it. Click on Word Art, click and choose one option from here. Suppose I want the line to be started with large capital M of Microsoft. Let's put the cursor here. Click on Drop Cap. Click on one option. Here as the name suggests, you may add a section for signature by clicking on this. You may or may not add to this field, then click on OK. You can see it's added the line for signature here. Let's put cursor here, and if you click on date and time, you get different formats of date and time to be added in your page. Choose one and click on OK. It's added. Lastly, from equation, you will get several math equation to add it in your document, and from symbol you will get different symbols to be added in your document.